tastylive has pioneered the idea of trading small, trading often. And you might think that's just option junkie's way of approaching the markets, but there's some theory behind that. Let's talk about what that is. When you trade a lot, when you put on a lot of individual positions, it means that you are spreading out your risk, doing a high number of trading occurrences, and trying to take advantage of the statistics behind the central limit theorem. What is that? So the central limit theorem is the idea. And by the way, before you think this is just a trading thing, no. The central limit theorem is used in science, in industry, in business, all sorts of places. But what it says is that any data that you might take a sample from, whether it's trading data or the size of ball bearings or the number of pounds that a dog weighs or something like that, doesn't matter. That no matter the distribution of that data, could be binomial, it could be anything, that if you take enough of those samples, as the sample size gets bigger and bigger, the data will start to look normally distributed. So if I do a bunch of coin flips, which are 50-50, it's binomial. If I do 10 of them, well, it still looks kind of binomial. If I do 100 of them, it's starting to look more normal. But if I do 1,000 trials of coin flips, then the distribution of those samples becomes pretty normal. And in trading, when you increase the number of trading occurrences, your portfolio of those high probability trades, the probability of your portfolio begins to converge to the probability of the trade you put on. Here it is graphically. So imagine this is just a normal distribution, okay? Normal distribution where n, the number of occurrences, is 10. This has a number of occurrences of 100. This has 1,000 occurrences. What you see is, and this red line is just the normal distribution, overlaid the histogram of the data. 10 occurrences, in other words, 10 trades over a year, for example, not a lot of trading. You're going to get, a pretty wide dispersion of trading results. You go up to 100, and suddenly it begins to, look at that. It starts to look more normal, more occurrences around the target probability. Here, when you get to 1,000, it starts to take on a pretty solid normal distribution shape. So what does this mean in trading? If you use, no matter the size of your account, if you use defined risk trades to minimize capital usage, have a high probability of profit on these trades, and hopefully have positive time decay, if you do, the more trades you put on, and I'm not talking day trading, I'm not talking about trying to scalp, that's not what it is. It's, today I'm going to put on a bullish trade, tomorrow I'll put on a bearish trade in a different stock, and the next day I'll put on a bullish and bearish trade in completely different stocks. The more of that I do, the closer to the target probability, my portfolio will get closer to the target probability of the individual trades. And yes, I will have losing trades, but those will be relatively rare outliers. That is the theory behind trading small, trading often.